As the world's leading provider of self-service solutions, Winnsen 22,000 square meters manufacturing facility is fully dedicated to the art of self-service. Winnsen has provided solutions to thousands of customers worldwide. Our efficient mechanical engineer, software engineer and electronics engineer team take full advantage of cutting-edge technologies to offer smart solutions to meet your various expectations. With the latest laser cutting machine, CNC bending machine, welding machine and etc., all production is made under one roof, enabling Winnsen to control product quality and on-time delivery. Winnsen holds ISO certification on all customer-facing processes. Today Winnsen has exported products over 50 countries. We have earned a high reputation for not only developing top-quality products, but for being responsive, easy to work with, and for standing behind all aspects of our work. Our powerful software platforms and hardware systems work in harmony to offer you the most stable performance with maximum flexibility. We will focus on and contribute ourselves to your business need and your market goal. We can prepare turnkey solution based on your requirement to make you successful. Winnsen Industry, proud to be one of the top manufacturers of self-service equipment, has the passion, expertise, and resources to provide you excellent service now and forever.